Hi, welcome back to Bopchi's Corner. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Barb. I hope you can hear me. I have my microphone on. I don't know if it's working, so I thought I'd bring you along. I am way overdue for checking out my potato bags. I'll be surprised if I grew anything because I really didn't do anything to them, but these are Yukon Golds. I thought I'd bring you along. So I know I'm all in white. This is crazy, but I didn't want to take the chance of not getting this done. And as the time gets closer to noon, the heat ramps up and my phone shuts down. So let's get to it. Okay, fingers crossed that the phone does not shut off because it's overheated because of the sun. So, oh, look at that. I got two of the same glove. Oh, or do I? I do. I don't think two lefties would have worked. So, let's start with the middle one. Let me put this on here. Oh, got a couple little ones. I'm surprised, honestly. That's the seed potato right there. I'm going to be periodically checking my camera to see if it's still working. So let's see what we have here. Let me move this over. Oh my goodness, I have potatoes. I have some potatoes here. They're pretty. I'm surprised. I really didn't think I would have any. I think I put maybe two or three seed potatoes in here. Yep, there's the other one. Yuck. Gross. So that's 3. What I did was I used mulch out of the chicken area instead of soil. That's probably why I only got that much. But this was just a little fun thing for me to do. I wasn't really looking to harvest a whole bunch. This was just an experiment. And I'm way behind getting it done. So let me, hi Bella. Let me put this back in here. Oh, got another one. Alright, so I got a few potatoes, not many. Now let's hope Bella doesn't knock that over. And I'm still kind of white, so I'm doing good. And move this over. Let's do the next one. Pull these up. Ah, not too shabby. That's the seed potato, or one of them. The last bag here. Oh, it's getting hot out here. All right, so this one's seems to be doing a little bit better. I did not fertilize these. I think I did like extended fertilizer on the top after I planted them, but that was it. I didn't go out of my way watering them either. So I'm really surprised I have anything here. Oh, this is backbreaking. So will I ever do this again? Probably not. Maybe if I have some potatoes that are sprouting around gardening time, you know, next year, that I'm going to throw out, then maybe I'll throw one of those in a bag and just let it go. But to go out of my way and do this, nah, I don't think so. Look how dry this dirt is. Alright, looks like this is it. So this is what I got out of 3 big bags. I think I planted like 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. So I did get a little bit of a harvest here, but you know what? Every little bit counts. Will I do this again? Like I said, probably not. This is just a little fun experiment, something fun to try out. So thank you once again for joining me in Bopchi's Corner. Well, I did a little quick potato harvest before it starts raining for the next 2 days. So I hope to see you soon. Until next time.